Hi, everyone, in this tutorial, you'll learn how to add glass effect in video with AceMovi. The first step, in the Effects tab, you can see the imprisoned filter, and drag it to the timeline. In the Overlays, drag the purple ray to the timeline. Then play it to preview the glass effect. Drag your video from media to timeline. Then adjust the opacity of the purple ray. Let's play the video when you have adjusted the glass effects. It looks pretty. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the new videos on the channel. See you next time.